With the vehicle performance upgrades, ECU, engine control unit tuning tools have become a must-have for automotive enthusiasts and professional tuners. These tools allow users to read and clear fault codes, adjust engine parameters, and unlock. List number 1. Launch X431 CRP919E OBD2 Scanner. The Launch X431 CRP919E stands out as a professional-grade diagnostic tool for serious automotive tuning. Offering extensive vehicle coverage, it supports full system diagnostics, including engine, transmission, ABS, and more. Users can perform advanced functions like ECU coding, bidirectional control, and service resets. The large touchscreen interface makes navigation simple, while the wireless connection ensures hassle-free use. This scanner also includes real-time data streaming for precise tuning adjustments, a top choice for professionals. List number 2. Diablo Sport S1000 Sprint GM OBDI Plug-in Tuning Module, designed for GM vehicle owners. The Diablo Sport S1000 Sprint module provides instant tuning capability without complicated setups. Simply plug it into the OBDI port, and it disables Active Fuel Management AFM or Dynamic Fuel Management DFM systems, improving throttle response and delivering consistent power. It's compact, portable, and perfect for users who want quick tuning performance without expensive tools or complex programming. Ideal for enthusiasts who value simplicity and efficiency. List number 3. LED BDM frame, stainless steel with 22-piece BDM. This LED BDM frame is a professional-grade accessory for ECU chip tuning, particularly for bench and boot mode programming. Built from stainless steel, it ensures durability and long-lasting use. The included 22-piece BDM probe set allows precise contact with ECU boards, improving accuracy during tuning sessions. Integrated LED lights enhance visibility, making it easier to work on delicate components. A great addition for professional tuners who frequently perform ECU remapping and chip tuning. List number: ICT Billet LS Gen 3 ECM Engine Computer Powertrain Control Module Bench. The ICT Billet LS Gen 3 ECM bench harness is specifically designed for GM Gen 3 LS engines, making ECU programming and testing straightforward. It provides a secure and organized setup for bench tuning, allowing users to power up and connect directly to the ECM without being installed in the vehicle. High-quality wiring and connectors ensure reliable performance, a must-have for professional builders and enthusiasts working on LS engine projects. List number 5. Kingbullin eDiag OBD2 Scanner Bluetooth. Compact yet powerful. The Kingbullin eDiag OBD2 scanner offers Bluetooth connectivity for seamless ECU diagnostics via a smartphone app. It provides access to real-time engine data, fault code reading and clearing, and performance monitoring. Its user-friendly interface makes it perfect for beginners and DIY tuners, while its wide vehicle compatibility ensures versatility. A great budget-friendly option for those looking to enter ECU tuning without investing in high-end tools.